Hi sa lahat! Kumusta na kayo? It's another Learn Tagalog video at let's continue with our Tagalog phrases. Una para ngayong gabi, what done is done. Nangyari na ang nangyari. 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 Pangalawa, second, just trust me. Magtiwala ka lang sa akin. 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 Just trust me. Just trust me. Magtiwala ka lang sa akin. Third one, pangatlo, wala kang katulad. Wala kang katulad. You're one of a kind. Wala, wala, or wala. Wala, 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 wala. Wala kang katulad. Wala kang katulad. It really doesn't matter how you pronounce wala, but some say the word wala, wala, and some pronounce the word wala, wala, wala. Wala kang katulad. You're one of a kind. Wala kang katulad. 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 Fourth one, you're just wasting my time. Sinasayang mo lang ang oras ko. Sinasayang mo lang ang oras ko. Sinasayang mo lang ang oras ko. You're just wasting my time. Finally, last one, magsabi ka lang. Magsabi ka lang. Magsabi ka lang. Magsabi ka lang. Just let me know. If you need my help, magsabi ka lang. Magsabi ka lang. Just let me know. Magsabi ka lang. If you cannot come to work tomorrow, magsabi ka lang. Magsabi ka lang. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. See you again on the next video. Bye na. Good night.